Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, look at my little Pippi Longstockings, honey. Period. Hold on, let me get this out the way. All right, so what we having today, y'all? We are having a vegan teriyaki bowl. I made some teriyaki jackfruit with some king trumpet mushrooms. We got a little avocado, a little jasmine rice. Then I know this bowl probably look big on camera. This is a little bowl. Let's get into it. Cause baby, I'm hungry. This time change is for the birds, okay? It's 11 o'clock and I'm just now eating breakfast, which is not a great idea. Here, get you some. Baby, this good. There's some onions in here too. And some avocado. You want a piece with the avocado? Baby, this is delicious. Oh my God. And no, I didn't set up the camera to show y'all how I cook this. Y'all give me a minute. Hold on. I'm gonna give y'all a little update on my journey. I'm so hungry. I should have ate like 3 hours ago. Don't worry about it. My sister is doing the most back here. She's getting on my nerve. Just real life. Season y'all avocados, please. Don't eat just a plain. This got Simply K on it. I don't know why avocado and rice goes together, but it does. Oh, sushi. Never mind. And you see this? That's jackfruit. It look like chicken. Thank y'all for watching my previous video with the barbecue pulled pork jackfruit. The only difference in the cooking is today I made it more chunky instead of more shredded. So you have more big pieces like that. That's a mushroom. Never mind. The jackfruit takes on the flavor of whatever you season it with, y'all. And this took on the flavor of yes, please. So, as I stated in, I think it was the live or a previous video, buy what y'all know you're gonna cook in that week. So fruits and vegetables go bad really easily. So, yeah, make sure that your stuff don't go bad. Season to taste. For me, I can't do a lot of salt, so be careful if you have issues with your pressure. Make sure that you don't oversalt things trying to compensate. Guys, it's a mental thing more than anything. It's not meat. We know it's not meat, but you can season it to make it taste like what your meat would taste like. That sounded so crazy. Portion control. Just because it's vegan, Oreos, doesn't mean you need to eat 27 Oreos. Variety. Please have variety. The key for me is to go on Pinterest, look at recipes, figure out the budget of each recipe, and make it. I wanted my bell pepper in here, and yeah, she decided she was not finna stay with us. She was very sad and wilted, and I was like, no, girl, you can't be a part of this video today, okay? She understood. And some stuff, if you know you're not going to use it right away, like that bell pepper, I should have cut it up and threw it in the freezer. Because then I could have pulled her out and she could have been hanging out with this onion. Make your plates colorful. Try new things. Try new vegetables you haven't tried before. Try new food like jackfruit that you never did before. And just try it. As I stated before, I'm not doing this as a weight loss thing. If I lose weight, great. It's not for the weight loss. It's more for my joints. My joints. Them joints be acting up. And again, I worked my joints for a lot of years. I started doing sign language at 5. I'm almost 50. I started braiding hair when I was 12. I'm almost 50. I did hair professionally for 27 years. And my joints have worked hard. And they still work hard. Because I'm not giving up. I do my stretches. I move around as much as possible. And sometimes my steps just in the house is enough. Moving around, trying to get those joints moving and keep it. Because when I am stagnant and I don't move around, that's when I hurt the most. So I have to keep moving. Lots of water. 90% of the time I'm drinking water. When y'all see the videos with me eating tacos, I usually have some kind of soda or bubbly. But that's not my go-to. I love water. I love sweet tea, but I've been cutting back on the sweet tea and the sugars, because sugar also is a trigger for my pain, unfortunately. Man, this is good. And again, I'm sorry I didn't show y'all how to cook this. If y'all have any other recipes for jackfruit that y'all know, drop it in the comments. Or if it's a channel, drop them in the comments. This is fun. It's been fun creating. Last night we had vegan collard greens and black eyed peas. I didn't miss the meat at all because I have smoked salt, and smoked salt can give it that smoky flavor that the meat would give. So I didn't miss it. It was delicious. But this is an awesome way to start my day. No, I don't eat rice all the time. No, I have not filmed all the great stuff that I've had during this vegan journey. Vegan slash pescatarian, I should say. I have to say that because some people be like, that's not vegan on my. Relax, this is my journey, not yours. As you can see, this was really good. And again, jackfruit basically tastes on the flavor of whatever you season it with. That was delicious, y'all. Baby. Anyway, one thing I need to say too, because I have been neglecting this. Y'all, I do have a membership. I forgot how much it starts at. I want to say it starts at like $1. It goes up to $5 or something like that. So if you want to financially support your girl, join the membership, content creators or not. Just, it's a way to support your girl and help me finance this YouTube thing, honey. Shout out to my one and only members, MRTV and Cap M.R.TV and Cowboy. Thank y'all so much for rocking with me and supporting my channel. I appreciate y'all so much. If y'all don't know them, don't worry. They will be in the description box. I appreciate them so much. I love me some Maria and Cowboy. They have been rocking with me for like 2 years now. And yeah, good times. I got greasy lips now. That's from the sesame oil. Mind your business. Don't worry about it. Anyway. So if you would like to join the membership, hit that join button and support your girl. Support your girl. She out here doing things, honey, and things cost money. And as y'all know, I'm a single mama, so money is. Anyway, let's not get off track. Also, if you have not connected to I Am Betty J. Gallus, please go check out my girl. She is doing her best life at over 60, and she has great content. Go check her out and help her get to her 1,000. She's on the march to 1K. Also, check out My Sweet Potato. I love this girl. She's so cute. Heather from Heather. Oh, Lord. I don't want to say the name of the wrong. Hold on, y'all. I got my tablet. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. I want to say her channel name correctly. Lord. You should be prepared when you do videos, Jamie, because you're slow. I want to say it properly, so give me a second. Okay. Heather Chronic Condition Crafting. I wanted to say it properly. She is on the road to 1K as well. Her information will be in the description box. Heather is an extremely amazing supporter. She is super, super sweet, and I just love her so much. She is just the sweetest thing ever. And go check her out as well. I will have it in the description box if you like crafting and just a sweet, she's just a sweet potato. She's so sweet. Anyway, if you would like that kind of content, go check her out. She's awesome and she is an amazing supporter, as I already said. Everybody's links will be in the description box. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Another Mother Daughter podcast, what is y'all waiting on? Me and my daughter have a podcast channel, and we have some great conversations, some real life stuff conversations. We are probably going to record today. We got a topic that's probably going to blow y'all mind. And yeah, I hope y'all come over there and watch. All right. Now that all the announcements and whatnots have been announced, if y'all have any questions about vegan recipes or this journey of vegan pescatarian, leave it in the comments. And if you have recipes or you want to point me in the direction of people who have great recipes, put it in the comments. All right, to my new subscribers, welcome in. I appreciate you. Oh, and speaking of welcoming, oh my God, Drea Lachey, I'm going to put her channels in the description box. If y'all want a pick-me-up, okay? If y'all want a good laugh, check out Drea Lachey. I love her. She is a ball of energy, and she has me cracking up every time she goes live. Every video, she's so inspirational. I know she probably like, what? Yes, you. Yes, you may. Anyways, I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. And my ride or dies who have been with me from the beginning. Y'all know what it is. Amora, Red Row, Tamika Davis. It's so many of y'all. Gladys, Donna Green. I appreciate y'all. I really do. Y'all been rocking hard for me for a long time, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And as I always say, I love you, and ain't nothing you can do about it. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.